A retrofit advisor is somebody who's able to give good independent advice to a homeowner or a resident with a view to helping them work out what they want to achieve from investing into retrofit projects. So it's a customer service focused role. Think of it a bit like, if you were going to have a new kitchen or bathroom, you're going to spend a load of money doing it. You'd want someone to come into your home and be able to give you good advice about what's possible. And this is the equivalent really in the world of retrofit.
Retrofit advisors and people working in junior roles in retrofit do two key things in their job. One is they provide support and advice to individuals going through retrofit processes, either the homeowner or someone living in social housing. They advise them on the next best steps, and they support them when things go wrong or things are confusing or the homeowner isn't sure what's coming next. And two, they provide administrative process support to the retrofit process. They work with assessors, coordinators, designers and installers to ensure things are happening properly, to ensure next steps are booked, to ensure installations are booked, to ensure the paperwork is properly completed and the assessments have been conducted on time.
Within our company, we sort of compartmentalise different sections of the customer journey. So you have the sort of retrofit advice team who take the initial application and then enter the details on our customer reference system, and then they go for a little triage stage, compliance, and then it sort of goes to assessment, which is then picked up by a retrofit assessor, and then the evidence is collected by a retrofit coordinator and designer who will then put that works package together.
You're more likely to succeed and thrive on the program and in the role if you're eager to have an impact and make a difference to society by tackling climate change in your work. You're excited to learn new things in a changing sector. You're energized by working with and helping people, providing great customer service. You're happy in the detail and process and like to make sure things are done properly and correctly. And you're comfortable working in an office environment in a team.
The key skills for a retrofit coordinator would be sort of multitasking and good organisation. I think because there's lots of steps within the process, you need to be well organised and well equipped to be able to manage your time efficiently, but also deal with sort of customer expectations, and you need to have good sort of personal skills as well. You are dealing with customers at the end of the day. If you're environmentally inclined and you want to help reduce carbon emissions, but also improve people's standard of living, I think it's a very good opportunity, and Generation UK can help provide people with that opportunity.